Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. So this is a pre-primed black canvas, 5x7, and some leftover colors. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them, but I'm sure I don't want to waste them. So maybe I'll just spread some gold first. And I may actually bring in some cell activator. You can never tell. I've got a small brush, a couple of them. That one's got paint on the edge, but it looks like a good one. That one's wet. That's not going to help getting water in the paint. So let's just use whatever. Dotting tool, which is my nail art tool. Just fill them in. And that's it, unless I change my mind, which I do. And that's all, folks. Hi, this is Priscilla. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And if you'd like to be super helpful, please join the membership. My art is for sale. I'm here to help. If you have questions, feel free to ask. I have 2 books on paint pouring. They're found in the Amazon link, and the Amazon link is found on the link tree in the description underneath the video. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you come again. Bye for now. Priscilla out.